हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज अभिषेक कुमार और आप में से बहुत सारे लोग मुझे जानते होंगे और जो नहीं जानते डेफिनेटली जान जाएंगे। सो टुडे ऑन दिस ऑस्पिशियस डे 28th फैब, दैट इज वर्ल्ड सोशल जस्टिस डे। आप जानते होंगे टुडे इज 28th फैब एंड आज वर्ल्ड सोशल जस्टिस डे है। सो टू कंट्रीब्यूट समथिंग we are going to launch a new venture, a new channel, that is Friends Academy, and in short you can say that it is Friendemy. It is going to be your friend in your preparation journey. Literally friend means a friend irrespective of the condition. कैसी भी condition हो, this is going to be your friend. That's why you will be finding Friendemy everywhere, almost everywhere I would say. You will find on Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, blog, so that we can provide you guidance from everywhere. Okay, and it is great honor for me as well, that I got this opportunity to introduce this channel. And it is also a pleasure moment for me that you have shown a great response when it comes to our channel, the channel. And one more thing that I would like to mention here, that if you are watching this video on our YouTube channel, so I have provided the link of this channel in the description. Okay, and also in the channel section as well. Apart from that, you have shown a great response. I will not never deny that you have not shown a great response. You have shown a great response, and being a member of our family, you have been demanding, and that is a generous demand, I would say, that to maintain continuity when it comes to the video and to expand in terms of exams, to cover more exams and as well as subjects as well. So it is very difficult for me, for a single person, to cater all the needs. Okay, so catering all the needs, we have brought up with a new platform, that is Friendemy, and this is going to be a one-stop solution. In a literal sense, that is one-stop solution. Why? Because not one, not two, not three, not four, 5 to 6 faculties are going to be the part of this Friendemy. Okay, and I will introduce that. Means an incredible team is coming to this when it comes to that. So this is one-stop solution for your preparation. And firstly, we will introduce that what is Friendemy. Okay, so that you can understand. Okay, so basically, when it comes to the Friendemy, that is Friends Academy. Okay, so which all exams we are going to focus. So mainly at current moment, later we will be focusing on more examination, but currently we are focusing on SSC, railway, or the one day examinations that are being there, plus defense. Okay, defense, almost all exams will be there, for example CDS, CAPF, FCAT. So almost, since the team which we have is having an highly expertise when it comes to defense examinations, so we are going to cover these examinations. And when it comes to the subject, almost all subject, I would say that in GS all subjects will be there, and then English will be covered, maths will be covered. Okay, definitely reasoning part will be also be discussed. Okay, and one thing, we are not professionals. Okay, so we will never give you a surety regarding the video quality or the type of video that you are looking forward to. We will never give you, but I am giving you the surety of the content, that the content that we are going to provide you on this platform is going to be one of the best content that is being available absolutely free of cost. This is the most important thing, free. Everything is going to be free, no subscription, no paid course, nothing, no app, nothing. Everything will be freely available on this YouTube channel. Okay, if you're watching this video on our channel, then you need to go into the description and subscribe this Friendemy. Okay, and there will be a Telegram channel of Friendemy, then you will find Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. Okay, so Friendemy, and this is your responsibility to share this channel as much as possible, since it is a symbiotic relation. So definitely if you will share, that will be beneficial for both of us. Okay, so let me introduce the team first so that you can get a little bit idea about that. Okay, so this is what we are saying, that an incredible team is going to come on one platform. Okay, so on one platform, that is Friends Academy, an incredible team is being there. And firstly, me, you might be knowing about me, and if you're not knowing, definitely you will know in later times. So this is me, that is Abhishek Kumar, and I would be taking into care GS, not every subject, but definitely some of the subjects. Then there is Satyam Kumar Singh, who would be taking into consideration the GS aspect. Then Priyaranjan Chaube is being there, who would be taking into care your mathematics portion. Then there is another Abhishek, not me. There is another Abhishek who would be taking into care the maths. Then Harish Kumar is being there for the English, and many more. I would not say that this is the end of the list. Definitely many more would be there. And this is the introductory video, so we will be starting as soon as possible. So we need your support. Okay, we need your support. So support us and share this video as much as possible you can, and subscribe to this channel so that together we can. Okay, we are going to give you one of the finest quality content that is being available. Okay, so that is there. I have discussed you all the examinations that we are going to cover, the subjects that we are going to cover, and the team that we are having is having highly expertise. I would say that we are having a team that is, I would say that they are experts in their field, I would say. So this is going to be a revolution, I will say. So at last I will say that together we will, and for that matter you need to support us, and for supporting us, subscribe this channel, share this as much as possible, and whatever the things I would be providing you, the things that I have said in the our channel as well. So we will be, whatever the things that I have left on my channel, I will be catering these things in this channel as well. So we are going to provide you almost everything, and sooner we will expand as well. So we will be taking into care everything. So at last, share this channel, that is Friends Academy, Friendemy, and we are available everywhere, so you can join. Another thing that you need to join the Telegram as well. Okay, so because all the updates that are being there, we will be providing the updates on the Telegram, and the notes that we will be providing you, the notes will be provided in the Telegram only, and other social media handles you can join. Other than that, blog will be also be created, and every link would be given into the description of this video. Okay, if you are watching this on Friendamy channel, okay, if you are watching this on my channel, then you need to go, we will provide you the link, and you need to go and just subscribe this channel, and this channel is going to be useful for you. Okay, so I would say thank you and have a nice day, friends.